Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk on 50 medical abbreviations you need to know. Starting with DVT stands for deep vein thrombosis. It is a serious condition that occurs when a blood clot forms in the body in a vein located deep inside your body. Second is ART stands for assisted reproduction therapy. It is a technology that includes medical procedures used primarily to address infertility. This subject involves procedures such as in vitro fertilization, intracytoplasmic sperm injection, cryopreservation of gametes or embryos, and the use of fertility medications. The third stands for is VLDL, stands for very low density lipoprotein. Lipoprotein are made up of cholesterol, triglycerides and proteins. They move cholesterol, triglycerides and other lipids or fats to the body. It is also sometimes referred as bad cholesterol. Fourth is HDL, stands for high density lipoproteins. It is sometimes called as good cholesterol because it carries cholesterol from other parts of your body back to the liver. Your liver then removes the cholesterol from your body. Fifth is OCD, stands for obsessive compulsive disorder. It is a mental disorder in which a patient feels the need to perform certain routines repeatedly, called compulsions, or has certain thoughts repeatedly, called obsessions. The person is unable to control either the thought or activities for more than a short period of time. Sixth is PTSD, stands for post-traumatic stress disorder. It is a mental health condition triggered by terrifying events, causing flashbacks, nightmares, and severe anxiety. Seventh is PMDD, stands for premenstrual dysphoric disorder. It is a health problem that is similar to menstrual syndrome but is more serious. PMDD usually causes severe irritability, depression, or anxiety in the week or two before your period starts. Symptoms usually go away 2 to 3 days after your period starts. Eighth is NSAIDs, NSAID, stands for non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. They are most commonly prescribed medications for treating pain and other conditions such as arthritis. Examples are aspirin and ibuprofen. NSAIDs are more than just pain relievers. Ninth is EPS, stands for extrapyramidal symptoms. Antipsychotic medications commonly produce extrapyramidal symptoms has side effects. The extrapyramidal symptoms include acute dyskinesia and dystonic reactions, Parkinsonism and other neuroleptic malignant syndrome. 10th is IBD, stands for inflammatory bowel disorder. It is a term used to describe disorders that involve chronic inflammation of the digestive tract. Next is IHD, stands for ischemic heart disease. IHD, also known as coronary heart diseases or ischemic heart diseases, involves the reduction of blood flow to the heart muscles due to buildup of plaque in the arteries of the heart. It is the most common type of cardiovascular disease. Next is methyl B12, stands for methylcobalamin. 13th is DAB12, stands for 5-deoxy adenocyclobelamine or cyclobelamine. 14th is GARD, pronounced as GERD, stands for gastroesophageal reflux disease. It is a digestive disorder that occurs when acidic stomach juices or fluids back up from the stomach into the esophagus. 15th is BPH, stands for benign prostatic hyperplasia. It is also called as prostate enlargement, a non-cancerous increase in the prostate gland. Symptoms include frequent urination, trouble starting to urinate, weak stream, inability to urinate or loss of bladder control. The next is ADHD, stands for Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. It is a medical condition wherein a person has differences in brain development and brain activity that affect attention, ability to stand still and self-control. 19th one is ACE or pronounced as ACE, stands for angiotensin converting enzyme. It is a central component of renin-angiotensin system which controls blood pressure by regulating the volume of fluids in the body. It also converts hormone angiotensin 1 to the active vasoconstrictor angiotensin 2. 21 is GIFT, GIFT, stands for gamete intrafallopian transfer. It is a tool of assisted reproductive technology against infertility. Eggs are removed from a woman's ovaries and placed in one of the fallopian tubes along with the man's sperm, where fertilization takes place. 22 is SERM, stands for Selective Receptor Estrogen Modulator. They are a class of drugs that act on the estrogen receptor as agonist or antagonist depending on the target. 23rd is RASS, stands for renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system. It is a hormone system that regulates blood pressure and fluid and electrolyte balance, as well as systemic vascular resistance. 24th is RLS, stands for restless leg syndrome. It is a condition that causes uncontrollable urge to move your legs, usually because of uncomfortable sensation. 25th is PED, stands for Parkinson's disease. It is an illness that affects your upper part of the brain that controls how you move your body. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to our channel.